composite restoration, we need mirror explorer. No, mirror explorer. Explorer. We need cotton pliers, of course, to hold cotton rolls. Right. And spoon. Still spoon excavator. We need spoon excavator. PFI, a reminder, PFI comes for composite restoration. And then Hallenbach, same, Hallenbach. And then discoicloid, ball varnisher.
Just in case I need it.
Ball varnisher. And then, of course, gun for composite, right? And articulating paper. Shade guide, of course, to match the shade of the feet. Liner, spatula. Of course, we need this light curing, but we're supposed to have the cover here.
Eye shape.
Yeah. And low speed, high speed. So this is different then. The burst is different for composite resin.
No. For first they are the same. Like it's for last when we have to finish
when finishing touch.
When we finish, yeah. We
have to
just
change
need
this.
to, yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's not locked.
It's not locked.
That's okay.
It's fine. Okay. Give it to me.
We need etchant, anesthesia, and topical anesthesia with the cotton, and then the primer and the bond.
Yeah.
Primer and the bond, micro brush, and then of course for the bonding we need this. Well, for the bonding. And the matrix. If we have matrix, we need wedges too, and gauze. This one is for waxing, right? For the
for finishing
finishing
strip,
product.
finishing strips.
Okay, all
And
done?
this one is
Just an
gun.
extra
Extra
capsule.
extra capsule for composite resin.
Composite resin.
Okay, done?